Mastering Everyday English. The Curious Case of Snore Away. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, snore away. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding such expressions can be both fun and challenging. So, let's dive in and explore how this phrase is used in everyday English. Before we tackle the phrase, snore away, it's essential to understand the word, snore, itself. Snoring is the sound some people make when they're sleeping and breathing at the same time. It's that not-so-pleasant noise you hear when someone is sleeping deeply and, let's say, not so quietly. But in English, snore isn't just a noun, it's also a verb. To snore means to make this noise while sleeping. Now, let's put the word, snore, into the phrase, snore away. When you add away to a verb, it gives a sense of continuation or doing something without any concern for what's happening around. So, snore away can mean to snore without interruption or to keep on snoring regardless of the environment or situation. To truly understand snore away, it helps to see it in context. Let's look at some examples. 1. He was so tired that he started to snore away as soon as his head hit the pillow. Here, snore away suggests that he began to snore continuously and deeply right after going to bed. 2. The baby finally fell asleep, and now she's snoring away in her crib. This sentence paints a picture of the baby sleeping soundly and snoring without stopping. 3. Don't mind the dog, he'll just snore away on the rug all afternoon. In this example, snore away indicates that the dog will be snoring for an extended period, undisturbed. Interestingly, snore away can also be used figuratively. If someone says, "You can snore away your summer if you like, but I'm going to make the most of it," they're using snore away to mean wasting time in a state of inactivity, not literally snoring. There you have it. The phrase, snore away, is a colorful way to describe someone snoring without care or, figuratively, someone spending time idly. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and use of this phrase for you. Happy learning, and don't just snore away your English practice. Keep at it every day. Goodbye for now, and see you in our next video.